Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Honda Rebel 300 Cruiser. This is the lightweight, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled cruiser. Great for new riders, low seat height, fun, nice torque, easy to handle. Beautiful satin black in color. 2,400 miles on this gorgeous Rebel. Price to sell just $39.99. Make your Rebel Cruiser dreams come true. This awesome little 2017. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.